Section 12 of Birds, Volume 1, No. 3, March 1897. Read for LibriVox.org by Alan Mapstone. The Bluebird. Drifting down the first warm wind that thrills the earliest days of spring, the bluebird seeks our maple grove and charms them into tussling. He sings, and his is nature's voice, a gush of melody sincere, from that great fount of harmony which thaws and runs when spring is here. Short is his song, but strangely sweet to ears aweary of the low, dull tramp of winter's sullen feet, sandaled in ice and muffled in snow. End of section 12. This recording is in the public domain.